Are you getting a no network connection error when trying to use Wi-Fi calling on your iPhone? This issue can be super annoying, especially when you're in an area with weak cellular signal. It usually happens because of network settings, outdated software, or some incorrect configurations. But don't worry, I've got some easy solutions for you to fix the problem and get your Wi-Fi calling working like it should. Solution 1. Ensure Wi-Fi calling is enabled. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, tap on Cellular or Mobile Data. Now, check if Wi-Fi calling on this iPhone is turned on. If it's already on, try turning it off, wait for a few seconds, and then turn it back on. This helps refresh the connection. Solution 2. Restart your iPhone and Wi-Fi router. First, restart your Wi-Fi router. After that, restart your iPhone. Once your iPhone is back up and the router is online again, check if Wi-Fi calling is working. If it's still not working, follow the next solution. Solution 3. Update iOS. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General. Next, select Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install to update your iPhone software, which can help fix network issues. If there is no update available, go back and scroll down. Then, tap on Background App Refresh. Tap Background App Refresh again. Now, select Wi-Fi and Cellular Data. Solution 4. Eject and reinsert the SIM card. Try ejecting your SIM card from your iPhone. Hold it out for about 20 seconds. After that, reinsert your SIM card. Now, check to see if the issue is resolved. Solution 5. Reset network settings. Open the Settings app again and go to General. Scroll down and tap on Reset. Choose Reset Network Settings and confirm your choice. Note, this will reset your Wi-Fi network's password and cellular settings, but it won't delete any of your data. After the reset, we connect to your Wi-Fi and check if Wi-Fi calling works. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the no network connection error and getting Wi-Fi calling back to normal on your iPhone. Let me know how it goes if you need more help.